Good afternoon, my name is Sam Karr, and today I will be discussing the possibility for humans to understand the evolutionary transition between water and land species. And one fossil that is commonly used by scientists to help explain this transition is known as the Tiktaalik fossil. And the Tiktaalik fossil in this case is a transitional species, meaning that it has traits that can be seen in both its ancestors and its descendants. Many scientists have used several different body regions of this fossil. However, for this presentation, I will be using the pectoral bone. I'll be focusing more on the pectoral fin for this presentation. And according to the article titled "New Found Fossil is Transitional Between Fish and Land Lovers" by Kate Wong states how the pectoral fin contains the makings of a proper tetrapod arm. And Wong also goes on to state how the shoulder, elbow, and even parts of the wrist are present in this fossil, meaning that they are working in ways similar to the earliest land-living animals. And Wong also goes on to state how scientists even believe that the Tiktaalik used its fin at some point in time to help support its whole body weight, much like land-living creatures today do. And as you can see from this 3D model here on the screen, there are several bones that can be seen in this fossil, such as the radius, ulna, humerus, and clavicle, which can also be seen in land-living creatures. And if we click on the humerus bone here, it states how the Tiktaalik has limb-like fin bones with a wrist. This resembles the limb bone pattern found in tetrapods. And once the fins are strong enough, they can lift the body out of the water. So this kind of ties into what Wong was stating, how at some point in time these fins were used to support the creature's whole body weight, meaning that this could have been a transitional fossil over 300 million years ago. So overall, having these bones present helps provide further evidence that this species could have been a transitional species between water and land creatures. And overall, this fossil also shows the features of both fish and tetrapods, meaning that this could be evidence indicating that tetrapods evolved from fish ancestors over 300 million years ago, as I mentioned earlier. And this is my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.